Welcome back to my channel Way to Marchini guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So this video is going to be very important. We'll discuss regarding Synergy exams 2022, the predicted dates. Okay, again I'm repeating, they are predicted dates, not yet confirmed. As per my analysis, I will tell you the predicted date. So let's wait for some time. Within few minutes I will tell you. But before that, if you want to get study material for the Synergy exams specific to clear the exams very easily, obviously you need your own studies. Definitely the study materials will boost your chances to get selected in the Synergy exams. As you know, in India, Synergy is the only company which used to conduct this kind of all India basis cadet intake program, or maybe cadet recruitment program, whatever you can say. Not sponsor, I'm talking about not non-sponsorship type. After completion of your course you can get the job. So as per my knowledge, Synergy is the only company. Most importantly, another thing, Synergy is a management company, so they used to take cadets. They have the requirements because they used to take over new ships every day, so therefore they require the cadets, not only cadets, all ranks. So all third officer, second officer, chief officer, master, it can be, they can easily get from the market. But the cadets, they recruit from very you can say very grassroots level. Okay, so for that the predicted dates, okay, I'll come to that. Before that, the last examination was held around month of July of 1st of August, I think. Yeah, August 2 or something, I don't remember exactly. I think August 2, 11, yeah, I think August 2 last year. So this is November, September, October, November, so only 3 months. So as usual, Synergy used to take exams around March, April, May, like that. But due to this COVID situation and all, everything has been postponed. So but this year I think, if everything goes normal, because in this scenario you cannot predict things, right? But as per my prediction, if everything goes like that, even if situation stays like that, which is present situation, then they might conduct the exam around April, May, around that, because that is a season end for the semesters and all. So that is the best time to take the exams, April, May, maybe June, but not more than that. Okay, so still you have 4, 5, 6 months in your hand. Obviously the final year cadets will get the opportunity for BSc third year, for your BTech fourth year. So definitely you have the last sem or to complete, definitely, and obviously focus on that. As apart from that, alongside you start preparing for the Synergy exams for all GP rating, your deck cadets and your marine engineers. Okay, for that study material, go to the description box. Every links are in the description box, go and check it out. So that is the thing. Predicted date, I have told you, June, July, May, like that. May to July you can predict. Okay, so another tips and tricks, definitely you all know, I'll put on playlist regarding the Synergy video. You can go and check it out, that playlist, for more information. Apart from that, I can suggest you that 100 marks will be there, 100 technical, 100 aptitude. Technical, maybe 19-20 difference among cadets, because all have studied well, right? I assuming that. But the main difference, that is the aptitude part. So start practicing aptitude from today only, otherwise it will be very difficult. Aptitude guide link also there in the description box. Start practicing aptitude. More you practice, more you will be precise, because aptitude need practice. Without practice it is difficult to crack the aptitude exams. It need lot of practice, mainly concepts. Okay, you might not get the similar questions, but the concepts will remain same. Okay, LCF, these things are like, it will remain same. The work done, like this thing, time, it will be like same, no? And the mechanical aptitude, your that, what is called that, verbal, non-verbal, these things you have to practice more. As much you will practice, will be more perfect in the examination. Understood? So thank you guys for watching. it was a small video for you guys. A lot of people are asking me that when the examination will be conducted. So only 3 or 4 months passed. So if you have again, I'm telling 5 or 6 months in your hand, don't ask me that when it will be conducted. When it will conduct, definitely stay tuned to my channel. I will try to update you definitely, because that time I'm predicting I'll be on board, but still I'll update you even in the community box or Instagram. Try to follow in all the my what is called the social media accounts, so get easy access, because if you're unable to update or upload the video, then from that social media point of view you can get to know a lot of details, because that I can do from on board also, because they know the limited internet and all, so issues are there on board. Time is another issue. So you can follow those social media links in the description box to get the updates. So before so asking that question when it will update or when it will conduct or not, you start preparing, because any day they can announce and exam will be conducted. Don't worry about that, exams will be there. Your job is to start preparing. Don't think about dates. When date will come, you'll come to know. Okay, understand? So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video, share with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.